Hello guys, this is JOBAN GILL here. Thank you for watching all our videos and giving so much love. Today's video is all about express entry from outside Canada, and we are speaking about Federal Skilled Worker Program. So before watching this video, kindly subscribe our channel and also push notifications button on so that you will get regular updates about Canada immigration. So we are on all the social media channels. You can go to Instagram as well, go to Facebook as well, go to TikTok as well, and type in JGME consultant or Job and Gill. You will find our link, and we are also posting that links on our profile. So please click on that, and you can go and follow us on all social media platforms. So let's talk about express entry. Express entry was introduced back in 2015, and it was so popular from back then, and many people are immigrating to Canada permanently on the basis of express entry. So you have to be eligible under one of the program, and you have to choose, or you have to be eligible under Federal Skilled Worker Canadian Experience Card or Federal Skilled Trade Program. And if you talk about clients outside Canada, so Federal Skilled Worker is the most popular program under which many people immigrate to Canada. So the main things you have to consider, what is the what should be a profile looks like, so that you can be eligible under express entry. So I will let you know about 3 to 4 things that you have to keep in mind, or you have to make your profile accordingly so that you can imitate. So first of all, let's talk about your experience. So experience, if you have 3 years of valid experience under NOC category 0AB, you will be eligible, and you make one component of the express entry. Okay, so if you have a valid experience of 3 years, usually for the eligibility it's 1 year, but if you have 3 years of experience, your profile will, it's very likely that your profile will get the invitation. Main second requirement is, if you want to immigrate permanently, you have to, it's highly recommended that you do masters, and your masters must be equivalent to Canadian masters. And if you do your education credential assessment, either it's from BAS or any other body, your master's degree must be equivalent to masters inside Canada. So if that'll be, if you are making second point valid as well, it is very likely that you will get permanent immigration to Canada. So what's the third point? Third point is the main point, and third point is the pillar of express entry. Third point is about your language proficiency. So mainly we'll talk about IELTS, and IELTS is the number one test that most people outside Canada give for the immigration to Canada. And sometimes what happens is you get low band score, and your dream to come to Canada vanishes, or it takes a lot more time to make yourself eligible, and you have to wait for ITA for a longer time if you don't get valid express entry score or valid IELTS score. So how many scores you should get? So we'll recommend that you should get CLB 9. CLB 9 is listening. In listening section it must be 8, and all the sections is 7 bands. So if you will meet these 3 conditions, number 1 is 3 years of valid experience, number 2 is education, and number 3 is CLB level 9, it is very likely that you will get invitation to apply under express entry. And what is the procedure afterwards? You have to submit your application, full-fledged application, and your permanent residence will be done in 6 months or less. So these are the 3 main things you have to take care of. And along with that, please make sure that funds requirement for Federal Skilled Worker changed from July 15. IRCC has updated all the funds requirement. You have to go to the Canada.ca's official website, go there and check the funds requirement. And then if you have your express entry already in the pool, so you have to check that your funds must be updated, because if you have less funds available, you might not be eligible for express entry. So you have to check that. Along with that, all the steps, all these crucial steps, for example, doing education credential assessment, giving your IELTS like your IELTS is valid for 2 years, so you have to make sure that like your IELTS is valid if if your profile is in the pool. And experience, make sure that you get all the required documents for proving your experience. It is job reference letters, your pay slips, your income tax returns, your like a letter of recommendations from your employer. So gather all the documents related to your employment, and more you have, the more documents you have, more are the chances that visa officer won't ask you for additional documents. So these are the main details that you have to take care of. Along with that, there are many other details that you have to take care, and it depends on case to case. So thanks for watching our video, and kindly subscribe our channel and also push notification button on so that you will get more videos.